Welcome back to the channel and a very happy 2024 to everybody. I hope it's all treating us pretty good. It is an unbelievable day here in Ireland. Yeah, currently babysitting some tractors. But progress on the shed is coming on very, very, very well. So basically I'm just trying to I'm going to go from start to finish on the whole shed build, and I'm going to go back, reel in everything we've done with the shed, and then I'm going to show you everything that we've done, and I'm going to show you where we're at now. And I was going to do like a start to finish, but I think it's been so long, and I know that people have seen the shed going up and then nothing about it, so I'm just going to go ahead and go from start to where we're at now, and then we'll do a full reveal on the shed when it is completed. Here we are in my new shed. The only thing I do notice is I've got an echo, so yeah, how's that going to do for footage? I don't know, we'll see. Not worried about, don't care. But yeah, it is still mucky in here. We still have to put in the finished floor. We kind of left the finished floor out of it because coming into this time of the year, rain, bad weather. Now we've got a roof on. it's easier for us to put in a floor, so it means we can put in a floor on a wet day. So yeah, there is my hockey stick there. That's where the power's going to come in. So today I'm going to get cable to take power from the house to bring it to the shed. Once I get that cable in, then Dad and a friend of his is coming out. The boys are going to measure up for concrete. The lift is going somewhere here, so I do have to, at a minimum, have 8 inches of concrete there with a little bit of steel in it as well. Sort of a pod to hold the lift. But yeah, so the lift is going to go down there. My bench will be going at the back wall, then I'll have the lift, and then I'll have loads of place for another car here as well. So yeah, let me just flip the camera around and explain a bit better. As I said, the bench will be going down there, then I will have my lift there, and yeah, just if you've built sheds before and you're watching this, do comment below and give me your tips, your experiences, because yeah, I'm a bit of a novice in this, so just trying to make sure everything is right. But yeah, bench, lift, and then I've loads of places to put a car like here as well. I'm hoping to get like a tire machine and balancer somewhere along there. Yeah, and I'd like to get some cool flags. I think I could hang up like some cool flags. I think I have Drift Games and LZ flags, so I'd like to line the whole roof with flags. Do need to paint these walls. I know shuttered walls are going to be hard painted, but let me know if you have a trick to painting shuttered walls. Yeah, need to paint all this. What colour do you paint the inside of your shed? A working shed, what colour do you paint it? What is the best colour to put up with oil and stuff? Do let me know. But the outside of it will be going the white to match the house. So I've ran water in here as well. I'm going to put myself in a wee little sink and a little water heater that you have hot water that you can wash your hands. In terms of the waste pipe, I never really thought of that, so I'm thinking I'm just going to let the waste pipe out here somewhere for all the water that'll be going there. The stone will take it. Outside then is a bit of a mess at the minute. I hate having mess around the house, but yeah, I had to cut the concrete to run the power over in there, and I had mains water there, so I had to cut the concrete there to run the mains water over there. So yeah, we had a good bit of digging here to get that done, but yeah, very, very, very happy with the shed. I have inquired about a door as well. The door is absolutely massive, so if all fails at Drift Cars, I can work on lorries. It's huge, but anyway, it's better to have the big door there. Better to be looking at it than looking for it. So yeah, calling me in Door Tech. Myself and brother David, we get all our doors off Door Tech, so we're gonna contact Door Tech. Well, I have contact Colm, so Colm is working away in the background to see what he can do, get me a door for that. Pedestrian door as well. I have a PVC door that I took out of the house when we were doing it up, so I probably will go in with the PVC door there. It'll just nice finished PVC door. So that is the shed. Now I need to go and get wiring. See how many lights, sockets, all that sort of stuff. But I'm going to be looking at the comments, and yeah, do comment below. Let me know your tips, your tricks, what lights, anything to put into your shed. Do let me know, because I will be looking at the comments. So that's that. I'll go get the wiring. When we are at concrete, we're going to put in sort of like concrete all here and leave a nice slope on it that you can wash a car on it and the water will just run back into the stones. We may put a bit of a gully in here at the end of it just to catch the water, but still it would be nice to pull your car onto the concrete, wash your car all down, have it all nice and clean, and then pull it into the garage, because we will be having stone here for quite some time, so it'd be nice to wash the car completely down here, and then we are into the garage. So we dug all this out, as you've seen, and yeah, we've got stone in here. Just got it whacked today, and I've dug out the holes for the lift. I just have to go and get some mesh to put in there, but as you can see, that line there, that's floor level, so that's 4 inches from the foundation up to that line, and then we've got another 4 to 5 inches there. So overall we'll have 9 inches, maybe 10 inches of concrete down in here up to floor level, and we'll put mesh in there, so that each side, and that will hold the lift. So we've just got it marked there, centre pad, so the lift will be going there. And yeah, so we've got all that done, and thanks to Daddy, who's here all morning, and myself and himself grafting. But this is all done. I've got plastic as well, so once we get steel in there, I want to put plastic all down on the floor. And we do got some dampness coming in, as these walls are shuttered and your foundation is just getting in underneath. So we're going to put plastic all around and run the plastic up the walls, and I might just stop some of the dampness inside in the shed. The roof, very, very impressed with it. It was a really frosty morning this morning, and non-drip sheeting, we've got no drips, so that's working out all right. And of course, Bailey, what do you think? This is the new menace around the Niallgoes Drifting headquarters. But yeah, it is slow progress, but I'm just trying to do it bit by bit and not break myself. Whenever I get a few spare pound, it goes into the shed. So, but I am looking forward to it. It is going to be a huge, huge shed. Yeah, so I have some news. Not going to break it in this episode, but it's involving this thing here. Yeah, so I'm going to do a separate episode on that. Hopefully next week. We've got big news and we've got big plans. We've been having some background conversations with Dooley Fabrication, one of my sponsors, and SD Aero. Them two guys, there's a lot of talks going on. There's a lot of things going on in the background. What way we're going or what we're going to do, we're not sure yet. But anyway, I'm not going to say any more, but this thing, we need to have a chat about that. So that will be in the next episode. But I'm going to wrap it up right there. And I hope you enjoyed all the progress in the shed from when we started to where we are now. And as I said, I was going to go from very start to very finish. But I think because we've got no updates, I'll bring it to here and leave it at that. And then we'll go I'll do another episode then from concrete to floating to painting to fitting lifts and all that stuff. Shelving, and I've been tipping away as well with SP Tools. Getting a lot of tools off SP Tools, some unbelievable tools, you need to look at them up. But yeah, getting some tools off SP Tools as well. And yeah, just trying bit by bit build up my dream shed. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the progress from start to finish. And yeah, tune in for the next episode. It's going to be on this. It's going to be very interesting. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. 2024, let's get back into vlogs. Let's get pushing them hard. It was a slow year last year, but it's time to get all the entertainment back up to you guys. And if you're still watching, thanks very much. We'll see you on the next one.